Okay, let's now look at how do we go about to solve question 1. It shows a block with dimensions of length 0.2 meters by 0.2 meters and the height is 0.1 meters. So you need to observe that all these dimensions are already in its SI unit, so there's no need to do any more conversions. Okay, another information shown here is there's a mass of 5 kg, so you can write down at the top mass is equal to 5 kg. So with mass, what can you actually get from mass? There's a formula called weight, which is always acting down due to effect of gravity. It's actually equal to m, which is your mass, times g, which is the effect of gravity. So in this case, with mass of 5 kg, we can actually take 5 times 10, and you will get the answer, which is 50 Newton. So this is what you need to do when you have information such as all this. Okay, so let us move on to start to solve the question. Okay, part A, define pressure. So you need to write down the meaning or the definition, which is force per unit area. Okay, and state its SI unit. So pressure is actually related to the force per unit area that's acting on the bottom of the surface. Okay, and its SI unit is actually PASCAL, Pascal. Okay, you need to spell the whole word. You write these two things down, you get full marks or 2 marks. Okay, let us now move on to part B. Calculate the pressure. The keyword here is pressure at the bottom of the box. So bottom, you look carefully. Bottom has dimension of length, which is 0.2 meter and 0.2 meters. So this is the length and breadth of the bottom part of the box. So we need to recall the formula to find pressure. So pressure is force per unit area. So you take force acting on the surface per unit area. So in this case, this force is always, in this case, is acting down. So you look carefully, the force that is acting down is actually the weight. So I can replace this with weight over area. So how do we find the weight and the area? You look back at my first step at the top, you notice that I already found my weight as 50 Newton. So 50 Newton is already found. The next question is, where do I get my area? You look carefully, area is length times breadth. So I just take 50 Newton divided by, put a bracket, length 0.02 times my breadth, which is also 0.02. Okay, so you press your calculator, you get an answer which is 125,000 PA. So you can write down your final answer as 125,000 PA. Okay, so this is the how you solve for question 1A and B.